If you want next-level car protection with AI tech and full 360-degree coverage, this dash cam is a beast today. I'm reviewing the AI V8 Max 4K dash cam, featuring front and rear recording, driver monitoring, and a 4-channel system. 4K front plus 360 degrees 4-channel recording. This dash cam records in 4K up front and uses 4 cameras to provide a full 360-degree view, capturing everything around and inside your vehicle. AI Driver Monitoring System. The built-in AI driver monitoring tracks driver behavior and alerts you for fatigue or distraction. Great for safety and long drives. STARVIS 2 Night Vision. Thanks to STARVIS 2 sensors, night footage stays sharp with improved clarity in low light, tunnels, and nighttime conditions. 5G Wi-Fi plus GPS tracking. With 5G Wi-Fi, you get faster video downloads, while GPS records speed and location for accurate driving data. 24/7 parking mode plus touchscreen. The 24/7 parking mode keeps your car protected even when parked, and the 3-inch touchscreen makes controls simple and intuitive. Complete vehicle coverage, true 360 degrees protection with 4 cameras. Advanced safety features, AI driver monitoring adds extra peace of mind. Ready out of the box includes a free 64 GB memory card. Installation takes time. Multiple cameras require careful setup. Parking mode may need hardwire kit for continuous power. If you want maximum coverage, smart AI safety features, and premium video quality, the AI V8 Max dashcam is built for serious drivers, rideshare operators, and families. Protect every angle of your drive. Click the link in the description to check the latest price on Amazon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and